Hello everyone. In this video we are going to troubleshoot some errors about credentials and regions by using AWS CLI. I'm trying to deploy a new EC2 with this, but I'm getting this error about the region. And I will need to use AWS Configure as stated here to configure all the details from my AWS account so I can deploy it automatically with AWS CLI or another provider like Terraform. So if I type AWS configure, it will prompt me to put the access key that I have right here. I'm going to paste it, then the secret key. Okay. And for the region, I'm going to use US West 1 because I'm close to California. The output format will be blank. And if you go to your home, then you access to .aws directory, you can see here what you just configure. You can cat credentials and you will see the default credentials for this will be the ones that I just put here. And then I will be able to run my AWS CLI command now. Okay, as you can see, we have a valid response now. And this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.